If you're experiencing issues with payments not going through on Mercado Pago, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device has a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent transactions from processing properly. Step 2. Verify payment details. Double-check the payment information you entered, including card numbers, expiration dates, and security codes. Make sure all details are accurate and up-to-date. Step 3. Review account status. Log into your Mercado Pago account and check for any notifications or alerts. Ensure your account is in good standing and that there are no restrictions or issues. Step 4. Update the app. If you are using the Mercado Pago app, make sure it is updated to the latest version. Outdated apps can cause functionality issues, including payment processing. Step 5. Contact customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the payment issues on Mercado Pago. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from their support team.